Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. Let's go for the next two new letters. This little one, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right, is called dal, and its sound is d, same like D in English. Example, b plus a plus d equal to bad, which means wind. But there is another synonym for bad, and that is Vayo. Yes, the same brand name for laptop. Let me tell you a sweet story. Vayo is the name of the god of wind in Iranian or Persian mythology. And as you know, Iran and India have very similar culture. So in Indian culture also, the god of wind is called Vayo. I do my best to tell you more stories about culture while I'm teaching you the language. The next letter is N, which has a sound like N in English. Here is the sticking and the separate form. Example, N plus A plus N equal to nan, which means bread. As you see, the N at the beginning of nan is in a sticking form and the second one is in separate form. Okay, the second example is A plus N equal to on, which means that in English. Let's use the previous letters that we learned in previous lessons too. For example, P plus A plus N plus D plus A equal to panda. The third example, N plus A plus D plus A plus N equal to nadan, which means fool. T plus A plus B plus A plus N equal to taban. Taban means shiny. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily.